Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One stands at the $0.13 mark. And for a couple of days we have been seeing lower prices for Harmony One, and today we have seen the price reach the $0.12 mark, and at the moment we are having a bit of a recovery at the moment. And in this video I want to give the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart. And before I do that, I'll give a brief of what has been happening on the market. And if you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe and notification bell. And for Harmony One, we started seeing higher prices, and in this Elliott wave pattern that we have over here, and our wave 5 took us to an all-time high. Then we started seeing lower prices in this ABC correction, and this ABC correction has taken us to around the $0.11 mark, and from there we had a bounce back to the upper side to around the $0.17 mark, where we have this fib level that the fib at around the 0.78, and from there we had a pullback to the lower side to the current prices that you're having at the moment. At the moment, Harmony One is reacting to this target zone that I have over here at around the $0.13 mark. And some of the key expectations that I expect to see are that now having that this key target zone is also a support, it's possible for us to have a bounce back to the upper side like we are having at the moment, so the prices can continue pushing higher and maybe break above this key resistance that you have on the $0.15 mark. And once we do that and maybe get above the fib at around the 0.76, it's possible for us to have a retest of that zone. And once we see a retest, that would mean we can unlock even higher prices for Harmony One and maybe go above the fib level that we have on the 0.618 and enter the golden region of the Fibonacci retracement. And once we get into that zone, that will be confirming our breakout to the upper side, and it's possible for us to even push the market higher and maybe go to an all-time high, because I think Harmony One has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction over here. So maybe the low is in, so it's possible for us to have a wave that might take us to an all-time high once we start seeing a pump to the upper side. The other key scenario is that maybe the low is not in yet, so we can continue seeing lower prices for Harmony One, and once that happens we can unlock even lower prices to around this other key target zone that I have from the $0.11 mark to around the $0.17 mark. And once we see the low of that ABC correction, then we can have another massive pump to the upper side. So those are the key expectations that I expect to see on the Harmony One chart. Also having a look on the RSI. The RSI is below the 50 mark, so it's possible for us to maybe continue pushing the market higher, basing it on the RSI. Another key thing to note is that on the MACD we have this bullish divergence to the upper side, and if the prices continues to respect this divergence, it's possible for us to see higher prices for Harmony One. Also looking on these lines that we have on the MACD, it's not clear yet whether we are going to have a bearish cross or a bullish cross, but in the next maybe 1 or 2 days it's going to happen, either a bullish or a bearish cross. So it's upon us to continue being patient and see how the market plays out. Also going to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD is just about to have a bullish cross, and once that happens, maybe we can continue seeing higher prices for Harmony One. Also on the RSI, seems like we are having a divergence to the upper side. We were in the overbought region and in the oversold region, and now we are having a turnaround to the upper side. So if that happens, it's possible for us to unlock higher prices for Harmony One. So Also on the candlesticks, you can see that we are seeing this key target zone that I have over here at around the $0.13 mark, and for me this is a very attractive, these are very attractive prices. So this is where I've placed my buy orders, and that's not financial advice, so don't buy, hold or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. So I'm not advising anyone on what to do, but for me, I'm taking that risk and see how the market plays out.